Okay, now let's prepare a new compound called dimethyl ether, which is of course an organic compound again, and its formula is CH3OCH3, carbon bonded to 3 hydrogens and with an oxygen in between them, and again that is again connected to a carbon atom that is again connected to the rest of the 3 hydrogen atoms. So this is the structure of this compound. So let's prepare the compound. Okay, now so there we have our oxygen atom, such a beautiful oxygen atom, you can see. Okay, so let's start preparing it. There it goes. Let's connect it with the carbons, as it has got 2 carbons together, one on each side, right, like this. Okay, now of course the hydrogens, CH3, and of course CH3. Now the other side. Okay, so there we go. First hydrogen's bond, second one, and the third one. Let's start connecting the hydrogens so that it will become a complete, beautiful dimethyl ether molecule. That is, of course, the simplest ether, right? There we go. It's a simplest ether. You can match it with the structure on the page. Just match it with the structure. There it is, right? CH3OCH3. So this is an organic compound, as I've just mentioned it earlier, with the formula CH3OCH3, and it's the simplest ether. Now it is again a colorless gas, and it can be used as a precursor, right, to other organic compounds. It can be used as a precursor for other organic compounds or to other compounds. It can be used as an aerosol propellant, and it can be used in applications that are related to fuels. It is again an isomer of course ethanol, right? And its formula is C2H6O or CH3OCH3, right? Or C2H6O. Its boiling point is minus 24 degrees centigrade, and its IUPAC name is methoxymethane, right? Its name is methoxymethane. That is its IUPAC name, right? Methoxymethane. Its molar mass is 46.07 grams per mole, and it is water soluble. The main thing is that it's water soluble. These are some of its physical properties, right? And its density is also 2.11 kilograms per cubic meter. So this was dimethyl ether, something about this 3D structure. You can see the 3D structure, some of the bonds that are projecting towards the viewer and some of the bonds that are away from the viewer. These are the bonds that are away from that will be indicated as dash bonds. These are the bonds that are pointing towards the reader. So these are of course the strong wedges, and this is a beautiful dimethyl ether molecule, right? So well, it can be produced synthetically, and it can be used as an alternative to diesel also. And as I've just mentioned, it's a colorless gas, and you can be affected by it if you breathe it, right? Its vapor can cause you your eyes, nose, or your throat some sort of an irritation. And it can cause So this was the structure of dimethyl ether, right? And as I've just mentioned, that it is highly flammable, liquid, or it's a gas, and it's dangerous fire hazard, and it can cause you even loss of consciousness, and it can cause dizziness or headaches also if inhaled. So be careful when you're handling with this this compound called dimethyl ether. So I hope you like this video, you like how I made it, and how you can see its 3D structure, and the bonds that are projecting towards you, that is towards the viewer, these are the bonds that are projecting towards the viewer, and the bonds that are away from the viewers, that is, these are the bonds that are away from the viewer. So this is it. I hope you like it. So let's hope and meet again with something new, something more interesting, and something more, you can say, enjoyable next time. So see you again. I'm signing off now. Thank you very much.